A day after 5 Omicron cases were detected in the state, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong today stated that the government is not looking to reimpose lockdown in the state as it disrupts economic activities. Stating that the situation is currently under control, he urged the public not to panic. However, he appealed to citizens to not be complacent, follow COVID-19 appropriate behaviors and get themselves vaccinated.
The question of lockdown does not arise, and that would be the last resort if we have to. But taking into consideration what has happened 2 years back, we have seen people suffered a lot economically. So I think if you ask Meghalaya government or any other government in the country, I think they will not prefer at all for lockdown. We are not at all preferred for lockdown. As of today, people should not just be panicky. I think be cool, calm. Everything is under control. 50 plus positive today came out. The trend maybe it keep increasing. We don't know tomorrow what will happen, day after tomorrow what will happen. But my only suggestion, request from the government side to all the citizens of the state to kindly stay safe, take care of yourself. And I don't have to repeat the same thing, wearing mask or your regular hand wash or social distance. I think that is already there in the mind of every citizen of the state. So what I'm trying to tell here is this: don't be panicky. Everything is under control, and we need to learn more that we have to live with the virus, and that if you talk with the medical scientists of WHO or of different state government, means we need to learn how to live with the virus. And no, right now only those 5 which was tested yesterday. So those 5, of course, were tested Omicron. But let me just tell you, Omicron again, in fact, it's a mild, it's a mild symptom, I should say. And those people who got positive yesterday, in fact, they are doing well. They don't have much problem, be it breathing problem or be it the oxygen level. They are quite okay, quite fine. I mean, as normal. That too, I think on Monday we already issued the order, the notification. Be it the citizens of the state or tourists or anybody coming into our state, we request them that you have to go through the entry point, and then you need to produce RT-PCR certificate within 72 hours. Or if you don't have that, you need to test. You need to go for RT-PCR test in the entry point itself.
So what is the response for this?
No, see, right now I'm telling you, not necessarily only the government employees. I'm telling you, each and every citizens of the state from 15 years and above. 15 years and above. Our advisories is very clear. Please go and get yourself vaccinated, because this is the only way out. Well, people ask question. I think I saw posted in YouTube this that. They said, then what is the point of taking vaccination? Because again, we get infection. Again, those vaccinated people, they get infected, right? But let us be very, very clear. Vaccination is to reduce the severity, the fatality. Though you get infected, but severity will not be there, and then you will not succumb to the virus. That's why I'm telling you, the entire world, why they keep pressurizing citizens of the respective country, go for vaccination, do vaccination. When you do vaccination means you get yourself protected. You get yourself protected, not infection, but you get yourself protected from severity and succumbing to the virus.